I've realized over the years, when running brick-and-mortar businesses, we're all just trying to make beautiful music. We just want to play a tune that brings the customers, makes them happy, and ultimately grows our bottom line. Whether you're running a place where people shop, work out, where they eat, learn, or receive care, there's more to making great melodies than it seems. You have the customers. Their expectations are higher than ever. You want to expand, but can you do so and still deliver the same brand experience? Your number of assets is growing, but it's hard to find the right service providers to take care of them. Plus, you need facilities, operations, construction, finance, all on the same page, acting on the same data. On any given day, the music can be downright, well, not that musical. But working with a partner that can bring unity, clarity, and performance to your band can help you create a symphony. You can hit your numbers and keep your guests delighted. The greatest music elevates your business, and even better, brings you peace of mind so you can focus on what really matters.